Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you are all doing well. Today I am coming up with a special topic. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Be good. I am being nice to you. I will be a good player tomorrow. I will be good. I will be coming. I have been to Agra. I have been working here since 1990. What is all common in this? Be. Be is a common. So today the topic is be. How to use this particular be in our conversation. That is my topic today. So how to use it? Be is used as an auxiliary verb, and it can also be used as one of the main verbs, and everybody knows it. So how to use this be? Be is a status, a state of being, state of being. So some of the inflections of this particular be are be, am, is, are, was, were, being, been. These are all different forms of the verb be. But today my topic is how to use this be, that's all, in the sentences. The first kind of sentence is be with adjective. Be plus adjective. Simple. Be good. That's all. Be patient. Be careful. Be alert. Be on time. Be there. Okay? You be there. You be here. You be in the room. You be in the hall. That is be. Be plus adjective. The second type of using be is be plus one article and adjective and noun. Be plus one article, one adjective and one noun. How? Simple. Be a good boy. Be a good person. Be a careful parent. Be a careful parent. So here we used be, one article and one noun. That's all. Simple. And be as a continuous verb. How? Be as a continuous verb. I am being nice to you, yaar. I was being very nice to him. I am being nice to him. They were being so nice. They were being so patient. So like that. Okay, be as a continuous verb. Next, being. How to begin a sentence with being? Being a naughty boy, he scored very well. Being a naughty boy, he scored very well. That means this particular boy, even though he is naughty, he scored very high marks. To say this complete sentence, we can say, being a naughty boy, he scored high marks. Being a police officer, he took bribe. That means, in spite of being a police officer, this police officer took bribe. So that is how we begin a sentence with being. The next use is future tense. So everybody knows. I will be good. I will be great. I will be helpful. I will be grateful to you. I will be a good teacher. I will be a good engineer. There we use again be. What is the next use again? The future continuous tense. I will be making my videos tomorrow. I will be coming tomorrow. He will be coming tomorrow. He will not be coming. Again be. Again verb with ing form. That is another use. That is a normal use, and everybody knows it. And in the perfect tenses. Perfect tenses also we use this be, but we don't use as a be, we use been. For example, I have been to Agra. I have been to Delhi. I have been to America. I have been working here since 2012. He has been working here for 10 years. This is how we use been. So most of the time we use this be. How to use this be? You watch this video completely and practice your sentences. That is be. So be watchful and be grateful. And if you have not watched my previous videos, go back and watch my videos and subscribe to Easy English with Inna. Bye-bye.